And now I am going to do another first ride on this thing. Ta-da! This is the ultimate child beginner starter bike, CRF 80F. To be honest, I'm not sure what to expect with this thing. It's got a kickstart, so that'll be my first kick. Let's put a first ride on this thing. So what do I do here? Put that out. Okay. Nobody's here to teach me. I'm assuming put the clutch in. And what else? Nothing. Just kick it. Okay. Alright, here we go. Oh gosh, that didn't work. Okay, so the fuel is on right now. Petcock is on. There must be ignition here. Oh, there it is. Okay. There's a key there. Where's the on position? I hope that's the on position. Let's try this again. Oh gosh. What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Unless the key was already on and I turned it off. I am failing. Maybe I need... I did it! I needed throttle. Okay. You guys can tell I'm a noob. Okay, it's idling. Very low. Oh, it's gonna die. How do I turn this thing around? Oh gosh, this is fun. Oh, I saw me sliding my rear end there. How many gears does this have? Second gear. Wow, so much fun. It's got 4 gears? 5? It's crazy. Wait. $80cc, this thing goes. This is I wouldn't say this is a kid's toy, but a big kid, I guess. Well, not so big, but oh man, I want one so bad. It's better than a pit bike for sure. All the bikes are sucky. Way better than a pit bike. 3, 4, 5. 5-speed. Man, this is not a kid's toy. It will not wheelie. It will not wheelie. Yes! I can do this! I didn't expect it to go that high. Oh! Oh, it died. I wasn't expecting it. That was a first ride, first impression of the CRF 80F dirt bike, trail bike, kids bike. I don't think it's a kids bike because this is pretty darn good. It goes pretty quick. It's got 5 speeds. Wow. Beautiful bike. I actually kind of like this more than the Yamaha. I really want one of these. I just don't know where to... If I get one of these, I would learn how to wheelie so easy. Wow, that was amazing. Anyways, that's my take of the first ride of the Honda number 2. And I'll see you in the next video. Today we have a very, very interesting first test ride. Not what you're used to on the 604 Blue Light channel. First test ride, I'll give you my impression of the ins and outs of this new test ride that we're doing, and give you suggestions on what upgrades to make, what modifications are needed to get more power out of it. Well, let's get on with it. This is our very, very first test ride of this new amazing vehicle, and I'm a little scared. They're kind of big and I may not be able to flat foot, so here we go. That's what I'll be test riding today. I don't know which one's mine, but they're actually quite large. Guaranteed 1 horsepower. And we'll be riding around the trail for about an hour or so, maybe 2. Kind of nervous.
That's what these ones do.
There's no flat footing this guy.
Will you back them up?
Hi.
This
Hi.
you pull really hard.
Hi.
Eli, it's not always wise to stand.
Yeah, I kind of figured now. Don't stand behind the horse.
Side canter. That's right.
I like that guy. What an ass.
This is Cats.
Cats.
Yep.
Cats and me are gonna be friends. Girl or boy? Girl. Okay. That's pretty awesome. Taking a video of you.